Tiramisu is the most popular dessert on the planet. So let's go ahead and make it into a cocktail. What's up you guys, welcome back to Cocktail Cards, and today we're gonna make the tiramisu cocktail. Now there's a lot of different versions out there, as you can probably imagine, being such a popular dessert, but the one that is my favorite that we're gonna use today is the one created by Adam Ennis in 2001 at restaurant Isola in England. And this recipe does include an egg yolk, some mascarpone cheese, so it could literally be a dessert by itself. All right, so in order to make this cocktail, we do need some mascarpone cheese, a brandy or a cognac. We need creme de cacao, some Kahlua, and heavy cream. And of course, we also need an egg, so we can get the egg yolk added in as well. All right, let's get going. First thing we're gonna do is get the egg yolk out. So I always like to crack my egg in separate glassware. So most cocktails, you're actually just trying to get the egg white. So this is a rare cocktail where you're actually just going for the egg yolk. And of course, we're gonna save this egg white for another drink. And next we're gonna add 1 ounce of heavy cream. All right, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon or 1 decent bar spoon of mascarpone cheese. And this tends to work a little bit better with 2 utensils here. Next we'll add 1/2 ounce of Kahlua. Half of an ounce of our creme de cacao. And 1 full ounce of our brandy. So we really want to thicken up this cocktail to give it a nice, rich, desserty texture. So what we're gonna do is actually what's called a reverse dry shake. So we're gonna add ice. We're gonna give it a pretty hefty shake for around 15 seconds, and then we're gonna remove it from the ice and continue to shake it for 30 more seconds. All right, so in order to extract the ice, all we're gonna do is just strain it right back into the glass you were shaking it in. And now, go ahead and finish with a dry shake for 30 seconds. And I'm gonna serve this in a 5.5 ounce coupe glass. You could also do this in a martini glass if you want as well. Go ahead and give it a double strain. Now this cocktail typically comes with cocoa powder on top. I don't have any cocoa powder on hand, but I do have some chocolate, so I'm gonna do some chocolate shavings on top. And there you have tiramisu. Cheers. All right, that's a dessert cocktail. That's really good. Probably everything you would want in a dessert cocktail. You got the brandy, you got definitely some chocolate flavors in there. You can taste the mascarpone, the heavy cream, the egg yolk gives it this thick richness that's just so pleasant, such an awesome texture and flavor. Really good, really rich. You should try it. Tiramisu. Thank you so much for watching the tiramisu video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give us a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We come out with tons and tons of new recipes every single month, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. And I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.